Okay, the FJ62 four-wheel drive vacuum solenoids, vacuum switching valves, VSVs. No power applied. We're going to hold vacuum. So they're going to operate the same. Got our vacuum port coming from the manifold vac, and then we have the output going to the diaphragm. And then it's a three-way VSV, so when no power is applied, we're going to have a path between the line that goes to the diaphragm and atmosphere. So it's going to release the diaphragm. Red is two-wheel drive, blue is four-wheel drive engage. Okay, so right now, keys off. Nice thing about these, we can check them with the connector on. So we're holding vacuum on the vacuum line. As soon as I turn the key on, the two-wheel drive is going to have 12 volts applied to it, and it's going to open up and release our vacuum. Okay, so that dumped our vacuum. You heard a nice click of the VSV. So right now, the vacuums have passed through onto the diaphragm. So see, it's flowing freely. If I plug the port going to the diaphragm, we're gonna hold vacuum. So the whole time the key's on and we're in two-wheel drive, the four-wheel drive selector's in two-wheel drive, we have 12 volts applied to the red VSV, and it's pulling the diaphragm back and keeping us in two-wheel drive. Okay. So right now, the four-wheel drive engage VSV doesn't have any voltage applied to it. We're still in two-wheel drive, so we're gonna hold vacuum on the vacuum port. I'm gonna go push the four-wheel drive indicator to four-wheel drive, and we should dump that vacuum as it's gonna pass it through to the diaphragm. Okay, so that passed it through, and if I plug the port that would go to the diaphragm to engage the four-wheel drive, now we have a pass-through and we're holding vacuum. Okay.